We got us a nice white frog, 20-pound test, 7.3 medium heavy action rod, lose, all around setup, 7.51 gear. And as you can see, we're coming into this tree right here, and got all this vegetation all up in that area, and so obviously you know what we're about to do. Try to put it up in there, stay a little bit further back, let it fly in there. Now, two ways to do it. You can run it like so, or you can pop it. And obviously we've got two different ways to do it too, which is going to be fun. Make some noise with it. So right now I'm just running it. I'm just running it on the top. I'm just seeing if they want it ran. Most of the time out here they like noise with it. So this, I might not even use this one very long either, you know, but this thing is completely leadless, like so. You can run this thing through anything, and so that's what I like about this one. The other ones you got to kind of get on the outside. It's not a bad thing because they sit on that outside a lot. So also, be real honest, first time I've used white. I guess it works though. So two blasts on the white, I guess means we're pretty good on white. He's on. There he is, and he's gone. All right, there's a start. And I always fix this stuff. Look, you got this contraption here, this contraption there. You got to spin it around. Get it all back up together. So do it again. Yeah, to say that was a big one would be a complete and utter lie. So we're not gonna lie to you, that was a small one. And you know, obviously if it's a big one, we're gonna get the net out and do all the fun things that it needs to do. And honestly, if it's a small one, I'm just gonna let it kind of just get back to normal. Let it grow up, be a big one. Okay. So that's my strategy, if you're wondering. I don't try to land every fish, and if you want to know something, neither do the bass guys. I mean, those bass guys do not land every fish. They leave fish in there. Okay? So they might go weedless, or they might just set the, you know, and let it run with it and not set the hook, so they can come back and get that fish later in the week when they need it most. All right, so don't fret none. Should right on that line. Yep. Like I said, this should get a big one. Yeehaw! Yes, sir! Oh, yes, sir. Right on that grass line like we were looking at. Woo! Wee! Little donkey donk. on a little bit of a grass line. Alright, got a little grass line in front of us like we just saw on the last video. We're running a little underspin with a rage on it. And they're just going to sit in that grass line. And the good thing about this underspin, you can run it kind of like into the grass. I run it in this grass. I'm not afraid. The closer you can get without getting tangled in there, the better chances your bite are. I mean, that's the first swimming bait jig bite I've ever got out here in a long time. This is a better one. Oh, oh, this is a big one. This is a bigger one. This is a bigger one. Oh, it's a freaking monster! It's a freaking monster. Here we go, here we go. Get the freaking net out. Oh gosh, no. Keep him this way. Keep him this way. Keep coming. Keep coming. No, no, no. Get him back over here. Get him back over here. Oh yeah. Come on. Go. Get him up. 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 Woo! Woo! Oh, mama! Yeah! KVD and the swim crew. Whoa! And I'm bleeding pretty bad, but wow! On that grass line, towed the red sprocket right there. 6 to 12 pound line, medium light action. Perfect for what we're doing, which is like really just some light action work on these grass lines. And we kind of went out and played a little bit. We hooked into a freaking giant. We didn't have our camera or my phone, so kind of worked its way off almost on purpose, just because I did not want to harm the fish, because it would have been out of the water a long time to try to get to where it needed to go. I didn't have any rope or anything with me, so to kind of make a bona fide fishing like stringer. So but it was fun and unexpected. Kind of knew it would. Was thinking about getting a bite, but not trying to land a lunker. And man, that was a bigger one than I caught earlier, which is going to be on video, which is on video. And so just when you're throwing these, I would just recommend getting this swim bait into the cover. Don't worry about cleaning it off every time. Do it. I mean, clean it off every time, but here's the deal. If you're not having to clean it off every time, you're kind of staying away from the fish. So really work this thing in into the cover. So if you look to my left, you see a tree. I'm gonna put it in this, and if it comes out clean, you're usually gonna get one like this. Okay, and this is a little one. Like I said, it's a little one, but your good chances are you're gonna catch one if it comes out clean. If it comes out dirty, obviously you're not gonna catch one. But if it comes out clean, you are definitely gonna catch fish.